Natalie.
Okay, Lola.
Wait, hold on. I gotta talk to David now.
Oh, dear.
Oh, this, Natalie.
Oh. Hi, Matt.
Natalie, hello?
No.
Hi, oh, go ahead. Who's that? Lola, say hi.
I need to talk to the... Alright.
Lola, ask who's on the phone. Somebody else is on the phone now. Ask who it is. Say,
David. David.
hello, who is that?
Natalie sounded kind of...
Natalie. Natalie. Hey. How are you doing?
Lola said, how are you doing?
I'm okay.
You're okay? Wow.
Ask Natalie what she did today, Lola.
Did you go to the beach? Did you go to the beach? You did go to the beach. Wow. Cool. And did you saw balls or did you say, did you look your feet in the sand?
Yeah, that's really nice. Got a lot of sand.
You got a lot of sand on your feet.
That's for our feet.
The sand got stuck? Oh, I'm sorry.
That's okay. I don't really care. Oh, goodness. Sometimes when big waves come in, it makes us fall down, and sand gets in our bathing suit.
And you fell down and you cried.
What?
Say it again.
You fell down and you cried. What? You fell on your knee? Then you fell on your knee and got over here, over there. What? So much? Really?
Oh, I don't know.
Ask Natalie if she went to school today.
Did you went to school?
No, not yet. That's like next week.
It's right next to you? Really?
Yeah, next week.
I coughed about you. What? You gotta go over here. You got an outing? Oh, I'm sorry. Really? You got an outing? Oh, I'm sorry.
Hey, Lola, ask Natalie if her friends are in her new class.
She
This
didn't
is a
start
new-
school yet.
A new class?
Did you get your friends in your class?
Yeah.
Ask her. Are your friends in your class?
My friends are in my class, Natalie.
What are your friends' names?
Emmett? Claude. Remember someone touched you and made you fall down on the ground outside? And made you fall on the ground outside?
I didn't fall on the ground outside. Do you want to talk to Aunt Pitsy?
I'll come later.
Okay, you sure you don't want to talk to Aunt Pitsy?
Who do you want to talk to next after Natalie?
David, please. Soon I'll talk to David, okay?
What?
Soon I'll talk to David.
David's sleeping.
David's sleeping early?
Yep.
Soon I'll talk to
And there are
David.
different
When he
types.
wakes up, I can talk to him. Alright, bye.